Divi is more than just a WordPress theme. It's a completely new website building platform that replaces WordPress's standard editor with a vastly superior visual editor. It can be enjoyed by design professionals and newcomers alike, giving you the power to create spectacular designs with ease. Hey guys, it's your girl, Adrian M. White, aka Brand with AMW, and I'm here today for another weekly Brand and Convert Chat and Chew. This is your chance to take a quick snack or lunch break and learn about all things branding, marketing, and entrepreneurship. Get your notebooks out because I have some juicy content to share. Follow me at Brand with AMW on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And if you are a service-based business owner or have a personal brand, join my private Facebook community, Brand and Convert with Adrian M. White, for more conversation on how to develop brands, websites, and processes that attract and convert more clients and grow six-figure businesses. Link in the description. Every Friday at 1 p.m., I go live in the group to talk about this week's topic, and we hold Q&A. So make sure you join the group and take in on that action. It's here, my 3-part live training, Irresistible Brands and Websites, how to attract more clients and automate your processes. Join me August 4th, 9th, and 11th from 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to learn how to attract high-paying clients, stand out from your competition, and book sales calls while you sleep. Reserve your seat today at training.brandwithamw.com. And finally, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for new posts. And of course, like and comment on this video. Pretty please. When designing a WordPress website, there are multiple free and paid themes that you can use to make your website your own. These can be great for beginners, but there are usually some drawbacks to using them. That's where Divi comes in. Divi is more than just a WordPress theme. It's a completely new website building platform that replaces WordPress's standard editor with a vastly superior visual editor. It can be enjoyed by design professionals and newcomers alike, giving you the power to create spectacular designs with ease. And that's our topic for today, why you should be using the Divi website builder. Here's some features of the Divi website builder. Drag and drop building. Add, delete, and move elements across your website with no design or coding background required. True visual editing. Design your page in real time and see the results instantaneously. Create and customize your pages using intuitive visual tools. Custom CSS control. Developers can easily combine Divi's visual design controls with their own custom CSS. Divi's interface is simple yet not limiting. Responsive editing. With Divi, you can build beautiful, responsive websites, which means that they'll look good on a mobile, tablet, or desktop. Divi is responsive by nature and also gives you full control on customizing the responsiveness. Design options galore. Enjoy dozens of unique page elements and thousands of design options. Divi gives you full design control over your website. Inline text editing. Just click and start typing. You can draft pages on the front end and see what you're actually writing instantaneously. Save and manage your designs. Save and manage unlimited custom designs. Easily use them to jumpstart new pages. Create advanced design systems and streamline your workflow. Global elements and style. So you can manage your entire website using global styles, which can be used for your footer or other sections of your site to keep it all uniform. Undo, redo, and revisions. So Divi works like a modern software application. You can easily undo, redo, and travel through your entire editing history. If you need help designing your site with the Divi website builder, make sure you sign up for my 3-part live training, Irresistible Brands and Websites, How to Attract More Clients and Automate Your Processes, August 4th, 9th, and 11th from 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Secure your seat today at training.brandwithamw.com. That's it for today. Comment below with any questions, and don't forget to join me on Friday for our Friday live session in my private Facebook group for more conversation on this topic and live Q&A. Also, don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at brandwithamw for more entrepreneur advice and a look inside my everyday life. Wishing you much success and good juju.